Kicking off another work week. Happy Monday. I'm Jason Laird with the Montana Ag Network. Here's a look at your Storm Tracker weather forecast. Another week of not great field work conditions. Starting out windy and warm today, but then big changes are in store. We're tracking winter weather alerts across the board. Winter storm warning as well going into effect tomorrow through Wednesday. Looking at pretty decent accumulations along the Rocky Mountain front. Also windy tomorrow as well. The reason for that, cold front's going to be pushing into the region. A lot of the rain will skirt around Great Falls, but it'll start off as rain, then transfer over to a rain-snow mix and more widespread snow following that cold front by Tuesday night into Wednesday. The best accumulations or the greatest accumulations will be out throughout the day on Wednesday, finally moving out late Wednesday into the early morning hours on Thursday. Snow accumulations kind of all over the place. Most of central Montana right now looks to pick up about 1 to 3 inches. Locally heavier amounts, though, are anticipated, especially in the mountains and the immediate vicinity of the Rocky Mountain front. Up to 5 to 8, not out of the question in that area, but 1 to 3 on average for most of central Montana. So here's again what we're tracking. Strong winds continue today, helping keep those temperatures a little bit more mild. Then a cold front is going to drop through on Tuesday and a Wednesday, bringing a rain-snow mixture for most of central Montana. Not overly strong impacts to livestock and agriculture, but again, keeping us from getting out in the field. Have a great day.